Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best descaler is probably one of the most overlooked aspects of coffee machine maintenance, but it's absolutely crucial for keeping your machine running smoothly and your coffee tasting its best. Over time, mineral buildup can wreak havoc on your machine's performance, leading to slower brewing times and a less flavorful cup. Today, we're diving deep into the world of descalers to help you find the perfect solution to keep your coffee machine in tip-top shape. Number 5. The EcoDecalk Descaler. This descaler is designed to keep your machine in top condition. Using it regularly will help maintain its performance, ensuring consistent brewing speed and the perfect temperature for your coffee. It features a fast-acting formula with plant-based lactic acid. This powerful solution effectively and safely removes limescale and mineral deposits, ensuring your machine functions optimally. The descaler is made with plant-based ingredients, making it an eco-friendly choice. It's biodegradable and has been thoroughly tested to be safe for your coffee maker's internal components. This descaling solution is suitable for various brands and models of coffee makers. Whether you have a Breville, Ninja, or Philips machine, it's designed to work effectively. Using this product is simple. Just pour 100 milliliters per descaling process and follow your machine's instructions. It's a convenient way to maintain your coffee maker. What we like? This descaler uses plant-based ingredients, making it an eco-friendly choice. It is also compatible with various coffee machine brands. If you are looking for a descaler that is both effective and environmentally conscious, you should consider this one. It's perfect for those who want to keep their machine running smoothly while minimizing their environmental impact. What people say. This product works exactly as stated. Descaler works great in our machine. Regular use of the EcoDecalk is like a magic elixir for your coffee machine. It extends its lifespan, preserves energy efficiency, and ensures that every cup you brew is bursting with flavor and crema perfection. Number 4. Essential Values Universal Coffee Machine Descaler. Introducing a powerful descaling solution designed for various coffee machines. This product effectively removes mineral deposits, limescale, and oil buildup, ensuring your machine operates at its best. This cleaner deeply penetrates and removes deposits. It's made in the USA and is suitable for a wide range of appliances, including coffee makers and espresso machines. The product is compatible with popular brands like Keurig, Nespresso, and Breville. It restores your coffee maker's optimal performance, ensuring a great cup of coffee every time. Made with concentrated citric acid, it's odorless, safe for your family, and environmentally friendly. The recyclable bottle adds to its eco-friendly profile. Each 2-pack contains 2 8-ounce bottles, providing a total of 4 uses. This cost-effective solution is recommended for regular descaling every 2 to 3 months. What we like? This descaling solution is made with natural and safe ingredients, ensuring it's gentle on your machine and safe for your family. It is also compatible with a wide range of coffee machine brands. If you have multiple coffee machines or frequently decale, you should consider this one. Its cost-effectiveness makes it a great value for regular maintenance. What people say. It only took 1 round of this cleaner and a rinse, so this solution must have easily removed any of the stubborn buildup quickly and efficiently. I've used this before to clean my Keurig coffee maker and it works beautifully. Just follow the instructions and it does a great job. No nasty vinegar smell and it rinses away completely. Perfect. My Nespresso was not working for months until I used this and it is clean and working perfectly again. Number 3. Descaling Powder Solution, Universal Scale Remover. This descaler works with various coffee machines, including Keurig, Nespresso, and Breville. It's designed to remove scale from drip coffee makers, espresso machines, and kettles. This formula is more effective and faster than vinegar in removing limescale. Plus, it's odorless, making the cleaning process more pleasant. Regular use of this descaler extends the life of your machine. It helps prevent damage to heating elements and other components, avoiding malfunctions. Limescale buildup can affect your coffee's taste. By using this product, you ensure your machine reaches optimal water temperatures, resulting in better tasting coffee. This descaler comes in a powdered form that easily dissolves in warm water. Simply follow the instructions for a hassle-free descaling process. What we like? This descaling powder is more effective and faster than vinegar, and it's also odorless, making the descaling process more pleasant. It is also easy to use, dissolving quickly in warm water. If you like a hassle-free descaling experience with superior results, you should consider this one. It's perfect for those who want a quick and efficient solution. What people say. This instantly cleared the stain after one application. I use this quarterly on my Breville Precision coffee maker and it works like a charm. It worked great. I only ever descaled my coffee maker with vinegar. I thought that was working, but when I used this descaler, so much nasty mineral buildup came out of the coffee maker. It looks like a small amount in the photo, but it kept coming out with each rinse pot of water. I followed it up with the Ernex cleaner powder and the coffee tastes so much better now. I can't believe I didn't realize there was an actual descaler and cleaner for coffee makers. Number 2. Caffenu Keurig Descaling Solution and Cleaner Pods. Keep your coffee pure and flavorful with this descaling solution. This 2-part system includes an eco-friendly descaler and cleaning capsules. It will revive your Keurig coffee maker with a thorough and powerful clean. This eco-friendly descaler removes mineral, limescale, and rust buildup. It helps the machine to produce hotter, better tasting coffee. Regular use of this product will prolong the life of your coffee machine. The cleaning capsules remove unwanted debris from the brewing chamber. The fast-acting detergent eliminates dirty oils, tannins, and odors in just 2 minutes. It heightens your coffee flavor and enhances the aroma. Use the cleaning pods monthly and the descaling solution every 2 to 4 months. The kit provides a single dose of cleaning power. Please refer to the instructions for your specific equipment. Caffenu provides innovative solutions to care for and maintain your coffee machines. This product range is used to clean all coffee machine accessories, highlighting the value of the perfect cup of coffee. It focuses on optimizing your coffee experience. What we like. This product offers a 2-part cleaning system, including a descaler and cleaning capsules, ensuring a thorough clean for your Keurig machine. It also helps to extend the lifespan of your machine and improve the flavor of your coffee. If you have a Keurig machine and want a comprehensive cleaning solution, you should consider this one. It's designed to maintain your machine's performance and enhance your coffee experience. What people say. Easy to follow instructions and great cleaning. Worked great. Coffee maker is working. Easy to use, works well. Number 1. Impresa Coffee Machine Cleaning Kit. Keep your coffee machine running smoothly with the Impresa Cleaning Kit. This all-in-one solution provides everything you need for a deep clean, ensuring your machine performs at its best. The descaler in this kit removes limescale and mineral buildup. This helps prevent corrosion and significantly extends the lifespan of your coffee machine. For best results, use it every 3 to 4 months. The cleaning pods eliminate oils and residues, removing bitterness and improving the taste of your coffee. Using these pods regularly will make a noticeable difference in your coffee's flavor. Using the cleaning pods is simple. Just brew a large cycle with the pod, then another with water. For the descaler solution, follow the instructions on the bottle. It's a real-time saver. You'll receive a bottle of descaler solution, for 2 uses, and 4 cleaning pods. This bundle is compatible with Keurig K-Cup brewers, 1.0 and 2.0, so you'll always have what you need. What we like. This bundle pack includes both a descaler and cleaning pods, providing a complete solution for your coffee machine maintenance. It helps to preserve your machine by removing limescale and improves the taste of your coffee by eliminating residues. If you are looking for a convenient and effective cleaning kit for your Keurig machine, you should consider this one. It's perfect for those who want a simple, all-in-one solution. What people say. I ran the descaler through my machine and after the first dirty-looking cup, the water looked pretty clean. First of all, this product does work as described and was great at cleaning my single-serve Keurig. The descaler and K-cups were simple to use and did a great job. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.